Every pair of shoes begins with a small but critical part, the heel. Traditionally, making a wooden heel meant moving the workpiece from one machine to another, relying on experienced workers to shape, curve, and mark each piece. It was slow, costly, and open to human error. But now, a single CNC machine can handle the entire process. T starts by profiling the wooden heel's exact form. Next, it mills the curved surface with incredible precision. And finally, it applies the label directly onto the heel. One machine, one workflow, one finished wooden heel. This is not just automation, it's how traditional shoemaking becomes faster, smarter, and far more consistent. You may also contact us to customize exclusive purpose machines when you manufacture other products. Thank you.